two website builders, each claiming to be the best, Ghost or Jimdo, which one really delivers? On the left, we have Ghost, the modern platform focused on publishing and speed, and on the right, Jimdo, the intuitive drag-and-drop builder designed for simplicity. We're putting them head-to-head in the areas that actually count: ease of use, features, customization, pricing, support, and more. Forget the marketing hype. Let's dive into what really matters. Each round earns points, so you'll see exactly which builder stands out by the finish. The winner's points, so you'll see exactly which builder stands out by the finish. The winner could surprise you. Let's Jimdo. Quick peek at our mind map. We're comparing these two on price, functionality, scalability, design, and themes, plus of course ease of use. So you'll know exactly what matters before you make your pick. Let's start with price. Ghost actually lets you self-host for free, which is pretty rad if you're the DIY type and have some server space lying around. And yeah, their hosted plans? Super clear, but honestly not the cheapest option out there. With Jimdo though, you're looking at a generous free plan, no credit card surprises. Their paid plans are pretty affordable, and if you go for a higher tier, you'll even get your domain included. The downside? Features start costing a bit more as you upgrade or want fancier templates. Still, Jimdo takes the win here for keeping it wallet-friendly and simple. Now, functionality, which, let's be real, can totally make or break your site building experience. Ghost is all about publishing power. It's got robust content management, memberships, newsletters, analytics, the works. But heads up, there's no drag and drop builder, so it's not as visual as you might expect. On the other side, Jimdo is super intuitive. You get easy drag and drop editing, quick setup, and those ready to go responsive templates. But if you want strong blogging tools or tons of integrations, it's a bit lacking. So while Jimdo is easy, Ghost totally wins this round if you're after advanced publishing and content tools. For scalability. Okay, let's be honest. Most of us don't start out thinking about scaling to millions of visits. But if you ever do, Ghost handles big media and creator websites like a champ. It's customizable, extensible, and can take some serious traffic, assuming you're okay with tinkering a bit on the tech side. Jimdo, though, really shines for small portfolios and local business sites. If you want to grow into a massive custom platform, it'll kind of leave you hanging. No contest here. Ghost is built to scale. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Ghost actually started as a Kickstarter project all the way back in 2013? Kinda wild thinking about how far it's come since then. Alright, time to talk design and themes. Ghost keeps it modern and super clean, and if you're self-hosting, you can tweak your theme inside out. But there's not tons of official themes, so yeah, style options can feel a little slim. Jimdo answers back with a heap of templates, all mobile-friendly, but if you want to tweak deeply, you gotta pay for some of those extra flexible or premium options, and honestly, customization sometimes hits a wall. Comparing the two, I'd call it a tie. Both have their charms, both have quirks. Last but not least, let's talk ease of use. With Ghost, the editor is seriously slick and the interface is just, soothing to work in. But getting set up, you need to sort out your own hosting and domains unless you go for their managed service. Not exactly instant gratification. Jimdo though, this is its territory. Everything just works out of the box, you literally need zero code, your site is online in minutes, and the updates are automatic. Fine, customization is more limited if you ever want to get nerdy. But for anyone who wants pure simplicity, Jimdo is the clear winner on usability. Let's zoom out for a sec and see how these stack up overall. Ghost kinda dominates on the serious publishing, scalability, and flexibility fronts. Jimdo hits back with price and user-friendliness, making it awesome for quick, basic sites. Honestly, here's how I see it. If you want a powerful, content-first site you can grow with, Ghost is your go-to, no question. But if you just want something up and running fast, like for a personal portfolio or a small local business, Jimdo saves you major time and headaches. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future guides.